Yo, what's good with it, Pack family? This your boy, Mr. Check My Resume. I'm here to bring you my top picks for the week of October the 31st, and we're going to waste no time to get right into it. So the first one on my list I want to talk about is FedEx. So FedEx right now is sitting on the inside week. We're looking for a 212 break to the upside above 160.53 on FedEx, and that one right there is one that looks like it could be a banger for this week, looking like one of the strongest setups I'm focused on for the week. So you've got a broad formation with an outside day complete. We close right on the broad formation, so we'll see what happens on Monday. We may get a little corrective activity to start the week, but I think we're still bullish going into next week. So that's the first one. There is FedEx 212 on the week above 160.53. Next one I have on my list is ABT, Abbott Laboratories. So with Abbott, we're looking at an inside week. We came off the lows off of broad formation last week, so we're looking for a reversal here, 212 to the upside. Our level for entry would be above $100.02, and then after that, we're looking to take this one up to the 105 range. We'll probably get a little bit of corrective activity once we get through this volume gap at around 102.71, which is a point of control on the day. So once we get to that level, we may get a little corrective activity and then continue our way up to 105. So that one is ABT, Abbott, and we'll be looking for a reversal into next month on that one as well. The next one I want to talk about is Snap. So looking at Snap, we got an inside week off that drop from a week ago. Now we're coming off the bottom. Buyers are in it and it is strong. We had a bullish continuation on the day on Friday. So now we're looking at this inside week close. We're looking for a break above $10.10. So with that one, we could potentially get a move up to about the $13 range. Looking for a little corrective activity around $10.79. Then from there, we may chop our way or grind our way up to about $12.73. So just below 13 is the level that I have initially here. So now, not wasting any more time, we're going to jump into the next one here that I think is very bullish, and that is Colgate, better known as toothpaste in the Alphapack. So we're looking at toothpaste. This one here also had a very strong inside week, closed right at the trigger level. So we're looking for this one to break to the upside. We may start off with a little corrective activity to retest this broad formation we broke through on Friday, which is expected after outside up day. Yeah, I said it, outside day ups are bearish. So we may get a little corrective activity initially off of this going into the week, maybe a retest of the broad formation. Then from that retest, we are going to push our way up initially to about the $76 range. Then from there, I'm looking at $78.64 as the next major level that I'm looking for a little bit of pushback. So we've got some time and we got a little bit of opportunity on this one to push up on Colgate. Next one here, I want to get into a little Vegas stocks. So first one I want to talk about, actually I'm just going to talk about one. We're going to focus on Win, and that is Win here. We're looking for a 2-2 rev on the week above 58.96 on Win, and that one we're looking at initially. We've got broad formations right at the $60 level. We want to see if there's continued bullishness within the market. We had back-to-back outside months on Win. First, we had an outside up month that went bearish. This time we've had a bearish outside month, and what's the expectation? We're going to go bullish. So we've got to get through some initial corrective activity. Looks like there's consolidation at this daily level range, just under $60. Once we crack that level, we're going to push our way up to above $65 overall. So we're going to look for a little bit of initial movement and confirmation that we have bullish activity in this stock. Then from there, if buyers are showing strength, as I expect, we're going to get to this volume gap right at about the $60 range. That'll carry us up until about $62.37. Then from there, we've got to push through a weekly broad formation. Once we have enough time, we can get through that and get to the $65 range. It's kind of my expectation on Win. And you know, just to kind of throw that out there, we also have LVS that looks good too, but I'm not going to spend any time discussing it. So with that, Pack family, those are my top picks for the week. Catch y'all in the Discord. Peace.